April 2026 isn't just another month for tech fans. It's the week when every major AI got a huge upgrade, all at once. Google dropped Gemma 4, OpenAI released ChatGPT 5.2, Anthropic's Claude landed on Windows, and Microsoft rolled out its MAI models. These free AIs are now tools you use every day. Writing emails, fixing spreadsheets, drawing, even controlling your computer. I've tested all four on real tasks: writing, coding, making images, and automating my PC. So you don't have to. Let's break it all down. Before we dive into the features, here's my promise. This isn't just specs and hype. I actually spent a week using all four AIs, side by side for everyday stuff. I wanted to see how they really work, not just what the marketing says. I set up a simple routine. Mornings were for creative writing and email. Afternoons for coding and debugging old scripts. Evenings, I tried image generation, voice tasks, and basic Windows automation. For each task, I switched between Gemma 4, ChatGPT 5.2, Claude, and Microsoft MAI. I logged what worked, what didn't, and what surprised me. The results? Each AI had some clear wins, and some big misses. Some tools were lightning fast, others got stuck. Some understood complex instructions, others needed a lot of hand-holding. And privacy? That was a big point for some, less so for others. So if you want to know which AI is best for you, keep reading. I'll break down each one, with examples that actually matter in your daily life. Let's start with the new kid, shaking up the scene. Google Gemma 4. What makes it special? Unlike most other big AIs, Gemma 4 runs right on your own device. That means you don't need to send your data to the cloud. It's private by design, perfect for anyone worried about who sees their work. Gemma 4 is open source too. That means anyone can see its code, improve it, or make their own versions. This openness makes it popular with techies who want to tweak things. But you don't have to be a coder to use it. The Gemma 4 app is simple. Just type, speak, or upload files, and it gets to work. Because it works offline, Gemma 4 is great for people with spotty internet or those who just want to keep things local. It's fast for most tasks like writing, translating, or summarizing text. And since it's free, you don't need to worry about subscriptions or paywalls. But what can it actually do? Quite a lot. From fixing your emails to helping with homework, Gemma 4 is a solid all-rounder. It's not the flashiest, but it's always there when you need it. Gemma 4's biggest strength is privacy. Because it runs offline, your files, voice notes, and even images never leave your device. For sensitive tasks, like drafting business plans or storing personal notes, this is huge. No other free AI gives you this much control. When it comes to reasoning and coding, Gemma 4 is strong. It can debug code, suggest improvements, and even explain tough concepts in simple terms. Its language skills are sharp, making it perfect for students and professionals who write a lot. Translation is also fast and accurate, covering dozens of languages. But Gemma 4 isn't perfect. It's less creative than ChatGPT 5.2. If you ask for a wild story or a funky poem, its answers are a bit safe. Sometimes it also struggles with tasks that need a lot of world knowledge or up-to-the-minute info. Since it's offline, it can't look up the latest news or trends. For image generation, Gemma 4 is basic. It can process images for text or simple edits, but doesn't create stunning new art like other AIs. If you want creative visuals, you'll need to look elsewhere. Still, for privacy and offline use, Gemma 4 is hard to beat. Now let's talk about the two big names working right inside Windows: ChatGPT 5.2 and Claude. Both are cloud-based, meaning they need an internet connection. But honestly, their power and flexibility are hard to match. ChatGPT 5.2 is like your super smart assistant. It's great at creative tasks, writing stories, brainstorming ideas, or summarizing hard topics. Its coding skills are top-notch, and it understands context better than ever. Plus, it can generate striking images with just a sentence or two. If you need help with research, writing, or art, GPT 5.2 is a go-to. Claude, meanwhile, is built with a focus on clear reasoning and safe answers. The newest version runs as a Windows app, letting you control your PC with plain English. Imagine asking, sort these files by date, then email the newest one to my boss, and it just does it. For anyone who wants to automate boring work, Claude is a game changer. Both tools can answer questions, write code, and chat in a friendly, conversational way. But their best features really shine when combined with Windows automation. They turn your PC into a personal robot, handling tasks you'd usually do yourself. Let's see Claude in action. So, picture this. You're swamped with work and want to organize your desktop. With Claude for Windows, you just type "Move all PDFs to the Documents folder" and rename them with today's date. And, in seconds, it's done. No scripts, no coding, just plain instructions. Freelancers and office workers love this. Claude connects to common apps like Outlook, Excel, and Teams. You can say, "Extract all meeting times from my emails and add them to my calendar." Claude does it, even catching details you might miss. This saves hours every week. The real magic is in chaining tasks. For example, download all attachments from this week's emails, zip them, and upload to OneDrive. With Claude, that's a single command. It's like having an assistant who never gets tired or confused. And because the app uses advanced reasoning, it almost always gets it right on the first try. Of course, Claude's automation isn't perfect. Sometimes it needs clarification on file names or app permissions. But for most users, it's as close as you can get to hands-free computing. No tech skills required. Microsoft's MAI family is all about serious, enterprise-ready AI. But the latest models, MAI Transcribe 1, MAI Voice 1, and MAI Image 2, are now free for personal use too. Each is focused on a core skill, and they're easy to mix and match. MAI Transcribe 1 is your go-to for audio and video transcription. It turns meetings, lectures, and voice notes into clean, searchable text files. The accuracy is impressive, even with background noise or multiple speakers. Great for journalists, students, or anyone who hates taking notes. MAI Voice 1 handles voice commands and natural-sounding text-to-speech. You can control your PC, dictate messages, or even have it read web pages out loud. The voices are shockingly human-like, and you can choose from dozens of languages and accents. MAI Image 2 is Microsoft's answer to fun, creative image generation. It turns quick sketches or text prompts into polished graphics. Great for presentations, social media, or just for fun. It's not quite as wild as GPT 5.2's are, but it's fast, reliable, and works well with standard Windows apps. The best part about the MAI models? They're built for big business, but anyone can use them. You don't need a fancy subscription or a powerful computer. Just download the free MAI app from the Windows Store and you're set. In real life, this means you can use MAI Transcribe 1 to record classes, interviews, or even family conversations. No more frantic note-taking or missed details. MAI Voice 1 turns your PC into a voice assistant. Call up playlists, send emails, or search the web hands-free. For creative projects, MAI Image 2 is a fun way to make graphics for school, work, or social posts. It's not just for pros. Kids and parents can use it too. And because MAI is tightly linked with Microsoft 365, it's easy to drop results into Word, PowerPoint, or Teams. What really sets MAI apart is reliability. It's built for companies with strict privacy needs, so your files and voice data are handled with care. If you want an AI that just works all day, every day, MAI models are a safe bet. There's no single best AI for everyone. Each tool shines in different areas. Here's a quick table to help you decide. Gemma 4, best for privacy and offline use. ChatGPT 5.2, great for writing and creativity. Claude for Windows, best for automation and reasoning. MAI models, voice, transcription, and images. The best AI is the one that fits your needs. Pick the right tool for the right job.